Have you ever wondered what kind of football fan you are? Are you the diehard who never misses a match? The coach who thinks they know every tactic? Or maybe the fan who's always arguing with the referee? In this video, you'll discover 14 different types of football fans while learning useful English vocabulary and expressions. Watch until the end and see which fan describes you best. The armchair fan loves football from the comfort of home. They rarely miss a match, but they prefer their own couch, snacks, and a big TV over going to the stadium. For them, home is the best seat in the house. The fair weather fan is full of excitement when the team is winning. But when results go bad, they disappear. Their support depends more on success than loyalty. The glory hunter supports whichever team is winning trophies. If another club becomes more successful, they quickly switch sides. They're fans of victories, not traditions. A diehard fan stays loyal no matter what happens. Win, lose, or draw, they always support their club. Their passion never changes, even during the toughest seasons. The casual fan enjoys football without taking it too seriously. They watch big matches, cheer for a favorite team, and simply enjoy the excitement of the game. This fan believes they know exactly how the team should play. Every substitution, every tactic, every formation, they have an opinion. In their mind, they're the real coach. The ultra lives for the club. They create incredible stadium atmospheres with chants, flags, and non-stop support. Their loyalty and passion make them the heartbeat of the crowd. Unlike true supporters, the hooligan looks for conflict instead of football. Violence and destruction have no place in the game. Football should unite people, not divide them. Some fans spend almost as much time talking about their rivals as supporting their own club. Every rival's defeat feels like a personal victory. The social media fan watches the match with one eye on the pitch and the other on their phone. They're posting reactions, sharing memes, and commenting on every big moment. This fan remembers every record, every statistic, and every historical result. Ask them about possession, expected goals, or head-to-head records, and they'll have the answer. The superstitious fan believes lucky rituals can change the result. They wear the same shirt, sit in the same seat, and never break their match day routine. For this fan, the referee is always wrong. Every foul, every penalty, and every offside decision becomes a passionate debate, no matter the replay. The silent fan doesn't shout or sing. They simply watch every moment with complete focus. Their emotions stay inside, but their love for the game is just as strong. So, which football fan are you? The diehard, the statistician, the social media fan, or maybe the superstitious one? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to share this video with your football friends.